How to log out Discord from all devices. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is open the Discord app on your mobile device and make sure that you are signed in to your Discord account. Now, once in there, tap on the U icon available at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Now, once on your profile section, all you have to do is tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen and navigate to the settings of your Discord. Then once there, scroll down and look for the device option available there and simply tap on it. Once you tap on the device, you will get to see the list of devices you are logged into. Now all you have to do is tap on the logout of all other devices and simply confirm by using your password. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.